Here I have brief introduction of TTMC company. We are a branch. We have 6 branch factories to produce different machines and mainly the metalworking machines. Here, this time, I here want to introduce some auto body repair tools. They are very useful tools for DIY purpose, for repair your tools, your car body, your motorcycle fender, something like that. Okay, I'll introduce from this small tools. This we call it welding grip. You can see it's in a very easy structure, and it's to contact 2 different plates. For example, if your car body is broken or rust and you want to change that part, so you make a new one to here, and you contact the two plates in the contact them together. Put one side in here and another in this side. Okay, just fix them so you can make a welding. And this for this welding grips, 1 piece is not enough. So we make 4 pieces in a plastic box. It's like a gift. Okay, and you can see this small welding grips could only with the same thickness. So okay, I'll show you. It's moved by just this plate. Okay, and how about if, for example, if I have a thick plate and a thinner plate? In this time, you will need this device. Okay, can you see it? We have an angle one. This is right angle as to suit different shapes. And here, this is a curve. It's for somewhere on the body. They are in the curve, but not flat shape. Okay, that is some device that for basic and for example connection and welding. After this, you have to receive the body repair. Here I'll introduce our another model. It's the hammer and the dollies. Here inside this, this is some very easy operation car body repair tools. They are small hand tools, and you can see behind my right hand there are some other yellow tools. We call it deburring tool set. This you can see deburring. So it could work with metal. Okay, I'll take it out. Can you see it clearly? Okay, deburring tool set. This tool set, is used for deburring the metal or non-ferrous materials. Like also could work this type or this the metals. Okay, and here you can see this side with totally with totally I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different shapes deburring tools. This will use in different situations. Okay, here is another one. You can see it has a tooth. Okay, and here they have many different shapes. Different shapes of the cutting blade is to cut different shapes on the materials. Okay, and also we have this kind of, I don't know if you can see it very clearly. It has 3-edge cutting. It's to could work with metal or wood or something like that. You can see the blade is in here. It's 3-edge blade, and it's use this small handle, small tools, yes, to the put in the heat blade and change the blade. It's very easy and useful tools. Okay, now I'll introduce. I'll invite our engineer Marcos to show the deburring tools. Okay, Marcos, please. Okay, we will deburring this plate in the holes and in this edge. Okay, please choose. Yes. Okay. And please, when you operate, please be sure with experienced or be very careful because the blade is very sharp. Okay. Please be careful when operate this device. Okay. Can you hear it clearly? Okay, you can see here, there's an angle here, and here is strict. So it's for, this is for metal, and also you could work with plastic or something others, non-ferrous materials. Okay. Okay, put it here. Now you can see behind me, and there's a lot of other machines. I'll introduce them one by one. Okay, that's this one. Can you hear? Can you see me? Okay. And this is a pneumatic hammer. This is to hammer the pellet. Hammer the plate to the shape you want, and it's also to repair the car bodies and your fenders, something like this. And this is pneumatic model. Here we don't have the air compressor, so I can't operate the machines, but it clearly. Okay, there's wheels, and it's very easy to move to different workplace. Okay, after you work with the pneumatic hammer, the materials have the shapes you want, but it's not flat. It have up and down on the plate. Assemble the machines with the bolts and nuts we provide you. It's very easy to construction and very easy to use. Okay, let's to the next one. Here, these two are bead rulers. These bead rulers, okay, I'll show you how it works. It could make different shapes that we make before on the plate, and a strict line, and to make it a square in the plate. So if you want different shapes, you could make something like that. And for this machine, I'll introduce this one firstly. And this dies we have different dies for optional and to make different shapes. And here this handle is just adjust the upper shift, so to press the plate inside and move it. Okay, this machine is very easy structure. Here there's a die holder. You can see we put different dies in the holder. They are for different purpose. And if you have any request, we can send you the pictures, the dice pictures to you, and clearly under the material shapes they can work with. And here, okay, this is an electric model. You can see here is an electric box. It's very easy to operate, just forward and reverse to control the movement of the ruler's directions. And here beside the machine, there's a motor and a gearbox. The machine is driven by gear. It's very easy to, it's very powerful for a maximum 1.5 millimeter marked steels. And here is a fuse. If something wrong, it's very easy to change the fuse in the machines. And inside it's a very easy construction and very easy to fix the machines if anything wrong. And when you use the machines, if you have any problems, you could contact us. Okay. You have to push it very hard and to fix it in. Okay, this is an electric one. Beside this model, here is a manual one. You can see they are different. Excepting the structure, the main difference here is the deep. This is deep throat. If you have some materials that have very big angles, you can use these machines. And the rulers also have this machine also have different rulers such like this one, but you can see this one and this one. They are different size, but could be in different shapes in this area. And also another difference is the stand. You can see this is just square tubes welding parts, and that one is triangle stand. This angle could be optional for this one to make the machine more stable and more stable. Okay, this is bead rulers, and here we have another type of bead rulers. This one we call it ETB12. Yes, the machine of this. Yes, here is a stop. The stop is to work with. Okay, is to work with different length materials, and for this model could also have this device. That's for optional, and this is for standard. Yes, just to the distance you want and fix this knob. And here, this is the adjustment of this distance of the rulers. Okay, and this machine, you can see this is S2. It means the standard tools. Our number is 2. we have 4 standard rulers for this machine to make different shapes. Okay, here we put it. We put it in the toolbox beside the stand. Here is another one. It's to make a round bead. And okay, this is another one. It's for the beading. Okay. There's another side. This is an electric model and also gear drive machines operated by a foot pedal and better in 3-phase motor because this will ensure the machine powerful and not easy to damage the motor because single-phase motor is forward and reverse change. It will not very good. It will damage the machines. Okay, for this model, we also have a manual type. Just have only this part. It's a manual type. Without the stand, without the motor behind, it's for just by manual. It's very easy operation also. Okay, if you have any problem about these machines, if you have interest in the machines, please contact us on WhatsApp, WeChat, or follow our social medias and leave a message to us. Here, this is the shrinker and the stretcher. These machines all are introduced now. It's for the body repair. It's very easy. For this machine, you can see there's 2 bodies. This is for shrinker, and here this is for stretcher. With this one stand, okay. You can see there's 2 bodies. With these 2 bodies, you do not to change the dies here, just to operate. And also, you can see there's 2 foot pedal. Here, this is a foot pedal, and another foot pedal in this side. So it could 2 people work in the two positions at the same time. And this is to adjust the pressure here, yes, to make it powerful and suitable for different materials. The dies here do not to change because there's 2 bodies. You can put 2 different jaws on the machines. And with the stand, you could work it in a reasonable height, so you do not to bend your waist or put the machines fixed. It's on the your workbench. So just put it on the ground. It will work very well. And okay, let's to the beside one. This is also a shrinker and a stretcher. Excepting, okay, this one, the throat depth here is bigger than this model. If you have some deep materials want to work, I think this one will be a good choice. Also, this machine have 2 different jaws. Here is a structure jaws, and this you can see the edge is not strict, but it's curved. In this this design, it will not hurt the material's edge. And this here beside the machine, there's okay, I show this side. Here, you could put the jaws in this box, and in order to not lose them. And the change of the jaws is very easy because here we have a tool holder. Just take it and release there's a bolt in here to take out the jaws and to change it. And it's also a foot pedal operation machine, and so it could release your two hands to put the materials in the very processing position you want to work with machines. And here, this is the materials we make before. And could make work with maximum this one, maximum with 1.5 millimeter materials, mild steel. Okay, that's the machines I want to introduce this time. If you have any questions or have any problems or interested in us, you could contact us or follow our social media for more details. Okay, thank you, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.